Hello and welcome to my channel, guys. In this video I'm going to demo the ChatGPT, the state-of-the-art language generation model from OpenAI. In this demo I'm going to show you some examples of what ChatGPT can do. First, let's try a simple Python program. ChatGPT is a powerful tool for generating human-like text. It has been trained on a massive dataset of text, allowing it to understand and respond to a wide range of topics and prompts. As you see, ChatGPT is able to understand the prompt and generate a response that is both coherent and relevant, an actual Python program with comments. After providing you the Python program, it also gives you a brief description of the program itself. Now let's try something even harder, a request for a machine learning program using pre-trained models, a bit more complex. As you see again, ChatGPT is able to understand or generate a complete machine learning Python program with ease. It shows how the robot can go through its journey of becoming self-aware and what it does with that newfound consciousness. These are just a few examples of what ChatGPT can do. It can be used for a wide range of applications, from writing essays and articles to generating chatbot responses to creating creative fiction and poetry. Here you see, it writes you an entire college admissions essay for you, which is quite scary. Plagiarism is the act of using someone else's work or ideas without giving credit. It is considered a serious offense in academic and professional settings. Chatbot AI, like any other technology, can be used to plagiarize if it is programmed to do so. However, it is important to use Chatbot AI ethically and not use it to plagiarize or engage in any other unethical behavior. Thanks for watching this demo of ChatGPT, and please subscribe to this channel and like this video. Thank you very much. Bye.